Alright folks, just got this in on trade. It's a Ford 3000. Looks to be a 1965 model. She fires up, runs pretty good. PTO works, lift arms work. Got a good heavy duty bumper right there on the front. Tires look to be in fair shape. Back ones wore down just a little bit, but they still got some grip. Seat's actually in pretty good condition. It's got a little tear on it, but other than that, looks pretty good. Showing 3,695 hours on the hour meter. There's all your controls and stuff there. But if you want you a running tractor that doesn't cost a whole lot of money, we got this one here. All you gotta do is give us a call or come on down at Ranchland Tractor. You can see us on the web, ranchlandtractor.com. See us on Facebook, Instagram, or our favorite, just come on down in person. We'll be happy to show it to you, let you crank it up, drive it around, make sure it's what you want. If it is, we'll make it happen. Financing is available. So there it is, folks. Ford 3000. Used. Runs good. PTO works. Lift arm works. Come on down.